Let's talk about something you do every moment, breathing. It's so natural, so automatic, that you probably haven't given it a second thought today. Yet, it's the most essential thing you do every second of your life. You're doing it right now without even thinking about it, and you can't stop, even if you wanted to. It's the one thing your body refuses to let you forget, no matter how distracted you get. But have you ever wondered what's really happening inside your chest? What secret processes are unfolding with every inhale and exhale? Your body's running a secret, non-stop operation, your respiratory system. It's a complex, behind-the-scenes network that never takes a break. It's more than just lungs. It's a team of organs and microscopic workers, all keeping you alive. Tiny cilia sweep out dust, bronchi branch like trees, and every cell plays its part. You can go days without food, but only minutes without air. That's how vital this system is. Your life depends on it every single moment. This system is so automatic, you barely notice it until you can't breathe. Only then do we realize how precious each breath truly is. Today, we're going to shrink down and follow a single breath of air from the outside world deep into your body. Imagine yourself riding along with that breath, seeing what it sees. We'll meet the key players and see how they keep everything running. From the trachea to the tiniest alveoli, every part has a crucial job. And maybe, just maybe, we'll finally figure out why we yawn. Is it just boredom, or is there a deeper reason behind it? So, let's pull back the curtain and give your respiratory system the standing ovation it deserves. It's time to appreciate this hidden hero. Ready for the journey? Keep breathing as we dive in. Don't hold your breath. There's a lot to discover. It's the unsung hero of your existence, working tirelessly without ever asking for a raise or a day off. Even while you sleep, it's on the job, protecting you. It's the reason you can laugh, blow out candles, or yell at the TV. Every emotion, every moment starts with a breath. Let's get started. Meet the all-stars of breathing, your body's own Avengers, working behind the scenes every second of your life to keep you going strong. First up, your nose and mouth, the vigilant gatekeepers of your respiratory system, always on duty. The nose is the VIP entrance, filtering, humidifying, and warming the air before it enters your body, making sure only the best air gets in. The mouth is the backup entrance, less picky, but just as effective when you need extra air, like during exercise or when your nose is blocked. Next, the trachea, your windpipe. It's a sturdy tube, like a vacuum hose, channeling air deep into your chest, protected by rings of cartilage to keep it open at all times. The trachea splits into two bronchi, one for each lung, enforcing a strict air-only policy and making sure the airflow is perfectly divided. Then there's the diaphragm, the muscle powerhouse that sits beneath your lungs, quietly driving every breath you take. It contracts to pull air in and relaxes to push air out, a silent engine working non-stop, day and night, without you even noticing. And finally, the alveoli, the real MVPs of the respiratory squad, tiny but mighty. These tiny grape-like sacs number in the hundreds of millions, creating a massive surface area for gas exchange. They're the final stop for air, where the magic of gas exchange happens. Oxygen in, carbon dioxide out, all in a split second. Each part has a crucial job, and together, they form a seamless team. If one fails, the whole system struggles, and even a small problem can make breathing difficult. This team keeps you alive, breath after breath. The nose filters, the trachea delivers, the diaphragm powers, and the alveoli exchange. Each step vital. It's a perfectly choreographed dance, a symphony of movement and function. Without the diaphragm, your lungs would just sit there, waiting for something to happen, unable to move air in or out. The alveoli are microscopic, but they do the heavy lifting, handling the crucial exchange that keeps your blood rich with oxygen. They're the delivery point, the place where the good stuff, oxygen, gets handed off to your bloodstream, fueling every cell in your body. We'll see them in action soon, witnessing the incredible process up close. Every breath is a team effort, a collaboration that happens thousands of times a day. Let's keep following the air and discover what happens next on this amazing journey. Now, meet the lungs, the main event. These are the true powerhouses of your respiratory system, working tirelessly every moment of your life. Two spongy organs protected by your rib cage, filling most of your chest. They're soft, yet incredibly strong and always on duty. The left lung is smaller, making room for your heart. This clever design keeps everything snug and efficient inside your chest. Inside, the trachea splits into bronchi, then into a vast network of bronchioles, like an upside-down tree with thousands of tiny branches. This branching system delivers air to every corner of your lungs, ensuring that oxygen can reach even the tiniest spaces. An adult's lungs can hold about 6 liters of air, but you only use a fraction with each breath, usually just half a liter. That's like having a huge reserve tank, ready for action. When you need more, like during exercise, your lungs step up, moving more air in and out. They adapt instantly, matching your body's demands. The real marvel? Surface area? If you spread out all your alveoli, they'd cover a tennis court. That's millions of tiny air sacs working together. That's how your body maximizes oxygen intake, making sure every breath counts and every cell gets the fuel it needs. It's an engineering masterpiece, packing enormous surface area into a small space. Nature's design is both efficient and elegant. Your lungs are always ready, whether you're running a marathon, climbing stairs, or just sitting still and relaxing. They're not just bags. They're living, breathing machines, constantly adjusting and responding to your needs. Every breath is a miracle of design, a perfect blend of structure and function working in harmony. The lungs and their network make sure every cell gets what it needs, delivering life-giving oxygen and removing waste. Let's see how they work with the heart, forming a team that keeps you alive and thriving. The partnership is where the magic really happens. Two systems, perfectly synchronized, powering every moment of your life. The lungs and heart are the ultimate team. The lungs bring in oxygen. The heart delivers it everywhere. Think of your lungs as an airport and your red blood cells as taxis picking up oxygen passengers. The heart is the central dispatch, pumping blood to every part of your body. Here's how it works. The right side of your heart sends oxygen-poor blood to the lungs. In the lungs, blood drops off carbon dioxide and picks up fresh oxygen. Then, the left side of the heart pumps this oxygen-rich blood out through the aorta to your entire body. It's a non-stop delivery system. Oxygen in, waste out. Without this partnership, oxygen would just sit in your lungs, going nowhere. The circulatory and respiratory systems are inseparable. Every cell depends on this teamwork. It's a beautifully coordinated dance. The heart and lungs keep you alive every second. Let's follow a single breath on its wild ride. The journey is just getting started. Let's trace a single breath. Air enters through your nose or mouth. Let's take the nose for the scenic route. It's filtered, warmed, and moistened, then travels down your throat and trachea. The trachea splits into 2 bronchi, one for each lung. Inside the lungs, the bronchi branch into thousands of bronchioles, spreading air everywhere. It's like a tree, with the trachea as the trunk and bronchioles as twigs. The air races through this maze, reaching deeper into lung tissue. Finally, it arrives at the alveoli, the tiny air sacs at the end of the line. This is the final destination, where air meets blood. The whole trip takes just seconds. Every breath is a rapid, complex journey. The air is ready for its most important job. Let's see what happens next. At the alveoli, things get microscopic. Each alveolus is wrapped in capillaries, tiny blood vessels so narrow that red blood cells squeeze through single file. The walls are ultra-thin, letting air and blood get close without mixing. Oxygen from the air moves into the blood, carbon dioxide moves out. This exchange is lightning fast and incredibly efficient. The red blood cells, now loaded with oxygen, turn bright red and head back to the heart. Carbon dioxide is left behind, ready to be exhaled. This cycle repeats with every breath. It's a masterpiece of biological engineering. The secret to this exchange is diffusion. Oxygen moves from where there's a lot, the alveoli, to where there's less, the blood. At the same time, Carbon dioxide moves from the blood into the alveoli to be exhaled. It's a perfect swap. Oxygen in, carbon dioxide out. Red blood cells change from dark to bright red as they pick up oxygen. They rush off to deliver oxygen to every cell in your body. Carbon dioxide is pushed out when you exhale. This process happens billions of times a day without you thinking about it. Diffusion keeps you alive, breath after breath. It's simple, automatic, and essential. The cycle never stops. This system is amazing, unless you sabotage it. Smoking brings in toxic chemicals and tar, wrecking your airways. It destroys the cilia, your airways cleaning crew, letting gunk build up. Deep in the lungs, tar coats the alveoli, making gas exchange harder. The lungs lose their sponginess, turning stiff and damaged. Diseases like emphysema destroy alveoli, making every breath a struggle. Smoking clogs the system from start to finish. It's one of the worst things you can do to your lungs. Protect this system. It's your lifeline. Breathe clean, stay healthy. Smoking isn't the only threat. Germs can crash the party too. Pneumonia is a lung infection that targets the alveoli, filling them with fluid. When alveoli fill with fluid, oxygen can't get in, and carbon dioxide can't get out. Breathing becomes hard and painful, starving your body of oxygen. Symptoms include cough, fever, chills, and trouble breathing. Pneumonia shows how fragile this system can be. Medicines can help, but prevention is key. Take care of your lungs. Avoid smoke, wash your hands, and get exercise. Appreciate every breath. It's a gift. Your respiratory system works nonstop, every second of your life. Give it clean air, and it will take care of you. Don't take it for granted. Breathe deep, stay active, and keep your lungs happy. Every breath is a reminder of how amazing your body is. Now take a deep breath and enjoy it.